That's usually enough to get your attention. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing phenomenal. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. I'm about to take you on a private tour of a beautiful Gilbert, Arizona home. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to assist with all of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs. Be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, downsizing, relocating, you name it. If it's Arizona real estate, we love it and we'd love to help you. But for now, let's take the tour of this beautiful Gilbert, Arizona home. If you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, today's your lucky day. In the description below, the first comment contains a link labeled Mr. Rogers Homes Relocation Guide. Click it, it will take you to our website. We will then email you a free and beautiful Arizona relocation guide. Enjoy! If you have any questions, please reach out to me ASAP. Let's get you in for a tour, a showing. There's no charge for us to represent you when buying, and there's no obligation. All of my contact information can be located in the description below. Please make sure to click subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos. Until next time, please take care and God bless America.